Okay, so here you are on whatever your Learning to Learn page looks like. This is the 8D one. And you can see here's a downloadable PDF version of the printed booklet that you have. So you're going to open this one. That's the proposals one. It's actually quite a big file, so it took a little while to load. It'll take a little while to load, but once it does load, open it up, you can see that it opens in your browser as a PDF here. You're going to need to click on Open In down the bottom there. Again, that will take a little while to load, and then select Notability. You'll need to create a new note so that it's a new file. And then before you do anything else, you can actually change the file name. You probably don't want it to be called this. You can change it to something like Learning to Learn, Create Proposals Booklet, and your name. And this will be the name that it will be called in the app Notability. So once you've done that and put in your name, you can hit back. And then you can hit import in the top right. And it says it's sent to Notability. And then you're kind of done with the browser. So then you can find the Notability app on your iPad and open it up. And again, give it a second to just, oh, I've clicked on the wrong thing. You can see that it's there. So this is, the PDF is now open in Notability. The cool thing about Notability is that you can edit the PDF in Notability. So you can see there's a text function up the top here. Can you see that's making those text boxes everywhere because I'm selecting the text box. So you find the place that you want to do it and you drag it in. You do have to remember, and then you can start typing, obviously. You do have to remember that if you want to scroll down, you have to select the little hand icon to say, I want to go back to touching, and then select the text icon again to select text. So I've done that, I select the hand, I scroll, and here you might use a drawing function. So I've selected the pencil there. You can actually draw instead. And once you're completely done, it will automatically save in Notability when you press the little arrow to go out. But once you're completely done, you can send to Google Drive. So select send to Google Drive down the bottom. And it will take a little bit of time. Once again, they're big files, so you might actually have to leave it for a good 5 minutes to actually load. That's just disappeared. So, hopefully it's sent to Google Drive. I'm gonna go out and check. So now I'm gonna open my Drive app, and I'm always gonna refresh at the top. Just wait for a second. Oh, and there it is. I select it. And now I'm in my Google Drive, and let's see if it worked. It's loading. I scroll down. Look at that. My edits are now in there.